Heather again. Making my second video. I'm with my brother right now. Gonna get picked up by my boyfriend. So, and it's raining today, as you can see. It's all cool. See, my brother Ricky. Say hi.
Hi.
I love him. My best brother, my oldest brother. And then, yeah, it's all rainy. It's awesome. Some guy wanted to splash us, but we ran. And yeah. We had drama club today, which was really fun. I got voted treasurer. So, yeah, awesomeness. We're at Mr. G's right now. So awesome. And there was lightning. Oh my god. Come on, lightning, show up again. See? Mr. G's. And I don't know if you can hear that thunder, but it was so cool. Oh, loud. More people pulling up. Yeah. But yeah, great life. And well, actually a little stressful today and depressing. And yeah. But I have a bunch of people to make it better. Surprisingly. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, anything, comment. Love you guys. Peace.